How to change NSFW settings on your Twitch application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your NSFW setting on your Twitch application. So first thing, if you are using PC, simply open your any of your browser and just search in for the Twitch application, web application. So simply click on it, the first link, and make sure you are successfully logged into your account. Once you're inside here, you just have random chat, any of the random stream. So once you're inside here, just click on this chat section. You can see there is the settings right next to the chat button. So simply click on it, and once you click on it, you have to wait for some time. You can see there is a filter. So simply click on it, and from over here, you can simply turn this option called sexually explicit language, which will enable you to, which is currently enabling you to see those types of things. So once you disable it, you will have successfully disabled the NSW content. You can also disable this harassment, which is like a sexually harassing language. So once you disable all of those options, you can also disable discrimination. So once you do that, those things, you have successfully disabled the NSFW content on settings on your Twitch. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If this was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.